Okay, today we're changing the cabin air filter in this Honda, and here's how you do it. Open your glove compartment, empty it out. You release this little arm right here, and you do that by just pushing it straight back, and it pops loose. Super easy. Okay, and I'll show you more about what that's about after I get it apart. Okay, and then you take both sides of the glove compartment, push together, and it just drops. See these little tabs right here? That's all that's hanging on. Okay, and then your little attenuator, it's what lets the glove compartment open slowly instead of slamming down. Okay, and then you can see right inside here is where the filter is. Just grab both sides, little clips on each side, right here and right here. Pop it off. You can see it right inside here. Pull it out. Easy. And what kind of treasure? Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty today. This one's looking pretty, I don't know the last time that was changed. Okay. Pull it out. Your new one. Now here's my trick. Write the date on it that you changed it so you know. Next thing is their airflow direction specific. See the arrow? And we know that the air flows down on these. So make sure you orient it like that. Slide it right back in. That's the wrong way. It goes like this. There we go. Take your door, snap it back on. Okay. Then just close the door up and it'll snap all by itself right there. And then you can reach around here and reattach your attenuator right here. Boom. Clean air. Thanks for watching.